welcome back to part 2. Thank you for joining this channel again. I hope you enjoyed the second part of this tour because I really enjoyed, filming it and trying to show you guys as much as possible. If you have any questions, please just comment down below. Okay, so this is the foyer. I'm not going to show you everything, but as you can see, it's really nice. There's also a little bit of an escalator as well, which works automatically. So if you ever need some work done quickly or you're sick, we have that available. So in the apartment, there is a medical suite. I'm currently on an IV drip because last night the weirdest thing happened. It's like my arm partially was like tingly, and when you sleep on your arm and it has that tingly feeling and then it goes away. So mine didn't go away. Mine just stayed for from 10 p.m. last night. So I got a little bit nervous. So I just popped downstairs, came straight to the doctor, started doing all sorts of tests. I'm not somebody who really gets sick. So when my body doesn't feel 100% and something doesn't feel right, it does make me a little bit nervous. So, yeah. Okay, so here is a little storage unit, just in case you want to store your wine. I'll show you a little bit more now. You're getting the full tour. Okay, so here's wine storage lockers. So if you need to store some wine, you can kind of rent it out and store your wine, which is very convenient. This is the clubhouse, or the cigar lounge as they call it, which is a really nice restaurant that you can spend your day. And there's also a really good barman that makes great cocktails.
I'ma need safety, tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual, I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America, I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel, I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care.
Okay, so for me, when moving into a building, something that is kind of mandatory is having a gym.
I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down, I'm winning now. Been a while, you ain't like me then, but how you like me now? Real one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat it setback like a step back. Wave, I got the game in a vice grip. Way up when the fire's clear. All the homies on the flight list.
If you've made it this far into the video, surely you should have subscribed by now. Don't forget to like the video on your way out, and thank you very much. Let's continue watching.
Verbally gifted, take the plot and I twist it. Got it big lit, sex with the incense. Got my mind rents, won't stop, I'm relentless. I'ma need safety, tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I want a girl for the mouthpiece, so bright that it light on my face. Your shawty just call me a fave, cause she like my character traits. I never stop for a break, I put a lock on the game. I put a stock in my name, but I give a f about the fame. I took a bite out of life and it tastes so exquisite. It feel like you do when you look in my pendant. Hopeless romantic, my girl, chin up for the kid. I'm not on no simps. Won't stop till the youngest he dreams. Wanna take him from rags to riches. I heard that you claim that you know me, but you ain't the homie. The f is your friendship. I need the loyalty, back up the royalty. I give a f if you notice me. Ain't nobody holding me. Big wave at your shoreline, so they know it's me. Babe boy from the cold seas. Nitro with a new pen, go at ISO. Tell him don't reach. Ice cold with it, no fleece. I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, hey, look.